to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be playing Tornado. So like you gotta survive stuff, and the game's about to start. So yeah, you just gotta survive like crazy stuff. First is like a tornado or a hurricane, and then the second match is like it could be like earthquakes. Anything is crazy. So yeah. All right, looks like people picked a farm. So yeah, I played this a couple of times already. So yeah, let's get into this game. I've never played this map, but like, it seems fun to me. Woo! Oh, well, we have to survive. So, man, this house is big. I like it. Anything? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's like a basement. Oh, that's cool. I guess we could do that when the bad stuff happens. Oh, I know where this goes. A basement key. We gotta find it. Where is it? The basement. Guys, can you help me out? Hey, what? I have it. I got it. Where? Where is it? Get the basement! Go, 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 go! Oh my god, Roxanne, I have a key. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. No! What? Oh my god! Get it out! It's in the basement. Wait! Fire. What? How does the upstairs look? Oh, it looks totally far. Oh, oh, oh! Everybody get up! I wish there was like a window right here so I could see instead of having to risk my life going up there. Oh my god! Oh my god! The floor! How are you guys on fire? Man. Come on! This is the only way out. Yeah! No! Oh my god. Right at us. Boyo. Oh get up! Get up! Get up! Go! 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 Let us in! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Coming after us? Oh! Hey, yo, soldier, this thing. Oh! I guess sneak out here. Wait. Did it stop? Wait! My hair is gone. Oh my god, I got rid of my hair. Oh my god, it's terrible. You guys, we survived. I thought there was gonna be a second match, but somehow in this one there wasn't. Yep. Oh. Oh! Oh my god, you can't do a new match!